Welcome to the ultimate guide to supercharging your life with GPT-4's plugins. Revolutionize your daily routine and watch your productivity soar. Discover a world of infinite possibilities that will turn GPT-4 into your everyday lifesaver. For your convenience, I've added all the prompts listed in the description below. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off in a new GPT-4 plugin with Playlist AI, and we're going to say create me an AI playlist that has the top songs from 2000. It's going to say, oops, we don't understand that, but here are some suggestions. And then I'm going to say, can you create me a playlist for my Spotify account? And I've connected my account through, and as you can see here, it's now listing these songs out in a JSON file, and it says great news, I've created a playlist. And now if I go over to my Spotify account right now, you can see this was created by the AI just a few seconds ago and is already in my Spotify account. How crazy. And I've been listening to this playlist and it's a cool playlist. Also provides the URL for the playlist so I can open it on the web version as well. This is very cool. I'll definitely be using this to create different playlist styles from different artists and genres that I'm wanting to listen to. And now I'm using the Get Your Guide plugin. I'm saying play me some activities for my travel in Sydney. I'm going to be there for a week. I'm departing Dubai on the 25th of May. I want to have as much fun as possible. I don't like wine, but I do like beer, and I don't want to be anywhere near a zoo. Let's see if it can figure that out for us. So again, let's put it into JSON format, and then it's saying, sure, here's a couple fun activities you can do in Sydney. The Sydney 3-hour craft beer and brewery tour, the City and the Rocks 3.5-hour tour. And then I'm saying, plan me 10 more activities for me to do and put them in table format so I can easily add them to my calendar. Include the link, price, how long the event goes for, what I should wear, what I need to bring, and is it for one person or two people. And my girlfriend doesn't like the cold, but will be wearing winter clothing. So it's going to be interesting to see how the AI interprets this information. So it's spitting out its JSON format here. It's chucking it into a table for us. And as you can see, it's giving us different amounts of data here. It's giving us the activity, the link to the event, the price per person, the duration, what to wear, comfortable clothing and shoes, winter clothes, what to bring, personal necessities, and is it for one or two people. I said there's going to be two of us, so I had hope all of these activities would be for two people. Now I want to demonstrate how we can give GPT-4 data and it will generate us visual graphs we can use in our presentations. And here I'm going to generate some fake Twitter data. So here I'm just getting some random Twitter data like the followers, last login, username of some users. And I'm going to say use this data and create diagrams which look really professional for my presentation. So now it's using the Show Me plugin here. It's putting it into a JSON file, and it's going to spit out these graphs for us. It didn't create all the graphs I want, so I said create me flowcharts, sequence diagrams, class diagrams, state diagrams, and a Gantt chart with this data. And now it's going to chuck that into these JSONs and spit us out the results. Here's our flowchart. Here's our sequence diagram. So again, this stuff would take, 15-20 minutes to do, but it's just spat it out for me straight away, which is kind of amazing. Our class diagram didn't do it, but you can go online to edit it. And then we have the state diagram. So again, these diagrams are for different use cases. I just put generic data in, but if you had a specific use case, I'm sure you would be able to find a way to use this data better. And there's our Gantt chart. So you could put in a project management Excel spreadsheet and get your timeline sorted automatically. Over to our next example, I'm going to be using the Stock and Crypto Portfolio plugin, which we can use to analyze our portfolio. So here I'm just telling it what's in my portfolio, give me some suggestions to improve, and put it into table format so I can look at the current market data. So here it goes, it's spitting out all this JSON files. And as you can see, we get an AI assessment here. So it says your portfolio has scored 410 out of 1,000. The 12-month expected return of your portfolio is 12.8%. It's given us a risk adjusted returns and a downside protection rating. It says your portfolio's current risk level is extreme, and that's obviously because of all the crypto in the portfolio. And it says here are several areas of downside protection that need attention. There are several areas of downside protection that need to occur. So inflation driver risk, interest rate risk, holdings diversification. Your portfolio has a critical risk due to individual concentrated holding risks. That's going to be the crypto. And then it's given us some recommendations. Like I said, decrease the holdings of the cryptos like LTC, ADA, and XRP. Sell stocks like Nvidia, Apple, and Splunk to protect from downside surprises in liquidity conditions. And sell securities like Microsoft, Hack, and Bitcoin. And now I'm going to ask, should I buy more Nvidia or Apple? What is your opinion as an AI? So I want the AI's opinion on this. It's using the Portfolio Pilot plugin, and it's giving us a little rundown here. So Nvidia expected returns 12.9%, has a bit of volatility, which is expected. And Apple, a bit more of a stable company, expected return 8.4%. It's giving us their current prices and the volatility expected. And then it's given us a little rundown here. Both companies have strong AI sentiment scores, indicating positive sentiment in recent news and social media discussions. Nvidia has higher expected total returns. However, Apple has a lower volatility, which makes it a much more safer choice for risk-averse investors, which is totally understandable as it's a much more stable company. Overall, pretty good advice from the AI. And lastly, I'm going to use the EDX plugin to find me the top 10 cybersecurity and AI courses available for me right now. And we're going to chuck that into table format. So it's giving me the course name, the skills covered, the course publisher, the short description of the course, and the course URL. And it's even going to put it into nice little neat clickable boxes we can click on here, and we can go straight to the webpage for these courses. So as GPT-4 comes out of its searching beta, this is going to be absolutely amazing. We'll be able to search the internet straight from GPT-4, and it will be really native and really awesome. Hope you enjoyed that little demo. Appreciate the support. Like and subscribe. See you later.